Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Both the government and the opposition MPs have been weighing in on the throne speech and this year's plan and the plans for this legislative year. As Jamaica Maitland reports, health, agriculture and infrastructural projects are three major issues.
So I'm not hearing more about the recovery immediately. What we're hearing are just more about the infrastructural plans that have been announced previously.
Opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Alfred Dawes, says noticeably absent from the throne speech was how the government plans to address the human resource scarcity in the public health sector made worse by Hurricane Melissa.
There's nothing really that was said about the immediate effects of Hurricane Melissa compounding what was existing in the public health sector before. We're seeing an HR crisis out west, we're seeing a space crisis out west, and the University Hospital West Indies is having its own set of problems that we expect to spill over more in the next couple of weeks.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton.
You would have heard of hospitals like Western Child and Cornwall, which are 70% and 80% complete. So 2026, this financial year is a big year for the opening of those. More capacity beds, operating theaters. Then you would have heard of Cornwall's, Spanish Town, Olab, and I could go on and on.
The treatment of the agriculture portfolio, one of the sectors hardest hit by the hurricane, received another beating on Thursday, this time from the opposition.
We haven't had enough focus on agriculture, and it's one of the areas that can easily incorporate a lot of the persons. Construction and agriculture can take in some of the unskilled laborers out there. I myself have gone into hydroponics just to show persons that you can actually use newer technology and increase your yield, increase your production. And I think if we can get more persons into this, we can drastically decrease the food importation bill.
A lot was packed in, and it highlighted that before Melissa, we were on track for a record year of over 900,000 tons in the first time. And that since Melissa, it has been focused on recovery. And if you look at the speech, that's highlighted exactly what has been done thus far.
For Member of Parliament for South St. James, Nikisha Burchell, the lack of mention of infrastructural projects in hurricane-affected parishes was concerning.
We heard the glossy announcements, but in terms of the specifics, especially for deep rural constituencies and constituencies that have been devastated by Hurricane Melissa, the speech did not cover that fulsomely. We want to hear how those who have not yet been captured in the government's database for housing recovery will be covered.
Meanwhile, Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator Aubin Hill, says there is a deliberate attempt to link portfolio projects this year. This way, he says, more people can benefit and there will be value for money.
We cannot get rich selling to only 3 million people. We have to export to the world. So the whole thing is linked together.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.